So I've said before that this computer does not keep time. You can see the computer currently thinks it's 12:03 a.m. 12:03 a.m. 12:03 a.m. It boots to midnight every time that you turn it on. But it's not just the time, it's also the date. If I hover over the clock, hope you can see, it says Wednesday, January 1st, 1997, 1197. And that explains something I found last time when I was on here, that if you look at some of the documents here, for the date modified, like here, you'll see 1197. So all these other dates are when the computer is keeping time. So somewhere it looks like, if I sort by date modified, it looks like in 2008 the clock on this computer failed, probably the CMOS battery or something. So this computer stopped keeping time in 2008. So that would mean that all these other files that were modified on 1197, you can even see that clearly this is just the hours and minutes after the computer is booted up. So this file was modified 5 minutes after the computer is booted up, and this computer has been booted up. Let's see, the story document that I edited was, oops, that was 719, yeah, 77197, that's odd. I'm not sure why it's 7197, but this one is 1197. This prices.doc file, that was modified 3 hours, 22 minutes after the computer was booted up. So all these documents that look like they're the oldest documents are actually the newest documents, which is kind of ironic if you think about it, because all the documents with the oldest date modified were modified after this computer stopped keeping time. So these are actually the newest documents on this computer. All these documents are the most recent documents. So that's what's kind of funny about this. But anyways, so that's a little bit of interesting information about the clock here, that anytime you boot this computer up, it boots up to Wednesday, January 1st, 1997, midnight. And let's see. So Windows 98 doesn't actually have command prompt. It doesn't have cmd.exe. It just has the old MS-DOS prompt. And if you open that, it takes over your entire screen. Well, it did. Now I'm in. The last time I was using it, I windowed it. Yeah, so if I press Alt-Enter, now it takes over my entire screen. So all computers used to be like this. Windows 95 was the first, well, that was the first one with Explorer.exe. There were GUIs before then. But, I mean, the original MS-DOS was basically an experience similar to this, where you just sit here and type commands. So, let's see. I don't actually know any DOS commands offhand. I know CMD commands, but probably none of them work on here. And this is a Unix command. That doesn't work. Yeah. dir maybe? Oh yeah, dir works. So I'm just listing all the files in the, what was it, the C Windows directory. So this will probably take a while. Yeah. So I need to change my directory to maybe there's a C users folder. No. Let me get out of here real quick so I can see what the file structure is. Let me open up Windows Explorer. I just did Windows E. I thought I did Windows E. Oh wait, I'm still in here. Windows E. There we go. And if I go in the C drive, is there a users folder? There is no users folder. So the folder structure is different than I'm used to with modern versions, with Windows NT basically. I'm looking for a folder I could go into. inetpub, that's interesting. AOL. Java. I think C Windows with its default directory. Well, that's nice to know. And even though I logged in as a guest user, this probably basically just has system level permission, so I could do some damage from here. Yeah, so if I go back to DOS now, and if I'm in the Windows directory, so this was the directory I was in before, that I just basically, so how many files are in this folder? Wow. That's crazy. There are literally 34,000 files in this folder, and almost 1,000 more folders. And no wonder I basically broke DOS when I was trying to list everything. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to come back to this when I actually learn how to do DOS again, so I can do something here. Because I don't know how to navigate here. All I know how to do is type dir and press enter, which is just as that. And when I do this, that's interesting. It says 2002 files. But here I just found out it was way more than that. So DOS is coming up with something way different than what I found just using Windows Explorer. Oh, that's the web page view. That's what it's called. Okay. That's cool. I'm going to give Dylan at NPSTN a call now and see if he knows anything. I'll put this phone on speakerphone so it's on the trunk. Hey Dylan, I'm on the Windows 98 computer now.
Alright, cool. So am I on camera right now?
Yeah, I'm recording right now. I'm wondering, do you need DOS commands? Because I'm at the MS-DOS prompt, and all I know how to do is type dir and press enter. Like, none of the CMD commands I know work on here.
Yeah, that's because you're using MS-DOS.
Yeah, I know it's different.
The other one is just simulated MS-DOS.
Yeah, so what are the actual DOS commands I can use on here then?
There's echo.
Oh yeah, I forgot about echo.
Let's see here. Man, I haven't used DOS in a while. There is type. There's edit.
How can I change what folder I'm in? I tried CD, that doesn't work.
Yeah,
CD?
CD should definitely work.
Oh wait, I was doing CD and pressing enter. Duh, that didn't work, of course. I have to actually...
Shoot you back. Well, actually, I'm pretty sure CD with no arguments on Windows would just save the directory you're currently in, kind of like present working directory on Unix.
Yeah, let me find a direct... How do I list all the directories, but not the files in a folder?
You can enter tree, and you can get a file structure.
That's bad command or file name.
That's interesting. On the version of DOS, actually, you know what? I think I got a exe file to do read. Actually, I was looking through my old files and I did find all the files to my floppy disk I made.
That's
it had
cool.
all these features like QBasic. It had ANSI.com, which is the file you need for colors and stuff.
Okay, oops. Okay, I'm gonna try to go into a directory. And it says invalid directory. Now what did I do? I can't even use the up arrow? That's weird. I guess this is really DOS then. I thought that was the directory. Oh, it's just C HTML, not C Windows HTML. Okay. Okay, I'm in that folder now. So now if I did dir, you know, this is more useful. So now you can see a directory listing of this folder.
Yeah.
Volume, serial number. Anything else I can do that's cool in here? Wonder what happens if I type exit. Oh, that just exits. Yeah, okay. Wonder if I system info, does that do anything? No. Help. There's not even a help.
Wow.
You can't even type help. That's just bad command or file name. You really have to know what you're doing here.
Cool, I got a soft phone to work on this Windows XP machine.
That's neat. What did you say were the other commands I could do?
It's funny, I can't really... You can enter help.
No, I can't. Help just does bad command or file name.
Interesting, it doesn't want to play early media. I wonder what happens if I call myself. Holy... Wow. Really loud.
What'd you just do?
Apparently when this soft phone rings on this Windows XP machine, it uses the internal speakers and it beeps them really, really loud, as well as playing a sound over the speakers. It's crazy loud.
That's interesting.
I could use it as like a wake-up thing, like if someone really needs to get a hold of me, like something's broken, they can dial a code or something.
Yeah.
And it would ring my whole room.
My downloads file is empty. Oh, there's a web sharing tab in here. That's interesting. Quick Basic. Hey, I have Quick Basic open. I remember that. Have you ever used Quick Basic?
Yeah.
DOS Quick Basic. Press escape to... Wait, press enter to see the survival guide.
Hello, 20, go to 10.
Oh, QBasic. Is that what I was trying to do earlier with DOS? QBasic not found. That's what this is. That's just Quick Basic. Yeah, but it can't find the help for it. It says floppy disk not found. So I guess I'll just have to not do this. I've forgotten all my Quick Basic skills, too. I wonder if Echo works.
No, it does not.
Yeah, I don't even know. What can I type in here?
You can enter, it's not your QBasic command, it's just a regular, basic. For, I believe basic stands for beginner's all-purpose symbolic, no, it's all, beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code, I think.
I don't think I ever learned Basic, though. I just did a little Quick Basic.
No, QBasic is just the client's program in basic.
Okay. So what can I type in here?
There's also some proprietary QBasic commands as well.
You know anything I could type in here, then?
Enter like 10 space, print space, quotation mark, hello, quotation mark, it can put enter other 20, go to 10. It will print hello all over the
Okay, I did 10 print hello world, and then 20 what?
20 go to 10.
Go to with no space, right?
No, so it's 10 space print space double quote hello and double quote enter 20 space go to space 10.
Okay, and then I have to run the program, I guess.
Yeah, so it's 10
Start.
hello 20 go to 10.
Whoa, it's just an infinite loop of hello worlds.
Yep.
Yeah, so now I gotta stop it.
Can't really do that.
Oh.
Well, I believe you can actually enter Control Alt Delete, although I'm pretty sure that restarts some DOS systems.
Yeah, it just brings up a closed program thing where I can end the task. Windows cannot shut down this program automatically. Well, I don't need to worry about that. I can just click yes, and that'll quit the program. Let's see what else. I also, did you use front page ever? Front page.
Oh, front page.
I think it's like a WYSIWYG editor.
Some Microsoft like thing to create websites.
Yeah, that's what it was.
No, the first website I ever made was just really crappy HTML.
Yeah. Yeah, same here probably.
And I still have the first site I ever made. It is like, no, you don't even want to, no.
Hey, you should look at some of my early sites. I don't even know if I had them, but there was like no CSS. I was trying to do everything in HTML 4.01 or whatever.
The first HTML page is what some young people call cringy.
I wonder what Windows Media Player is like on here. Looks very different, of course, but
Okay, just
it's got a radio tuner. That's cool.
Idea of what my first HTML page was about. It was just about stuff I like to do with like really, really bad grammar. Like everything was misspelled and nothing was capitalized. It was all out of line. It was like, wow. I was like 10.
Okay, so what else do you think I should do on here? Is there anything else I can do?
No, you're kind of limited since you don't have a modem and you don't have a NIC.
Be cooler. But I wonder if there's anything else cool I can show here.
What type of... Did you look at the computer in the basement yet?
Yeah, I just uploaded a video. It should be online now.
So, what did you see in that computer?
It has a NIC, phone jacks.
Are they a part of the motherboard or are they actual PCI cards?
No, they're just ports in the back. I don't know what you mean by that.
Alright, well, I'll see the video.
Yeah, look at the video. You can see. Probably that's a better thing to do than listen to me.
What channel did you upload it to? Interlink?
Yeah, same one as the other ones.
And you're still recording right now?
Yeah, I am. Trying to see what I can do here. Wow, Windows Update used to go to windowsupdate.microsoft.com. I feel like I remember that, but this computer is never connected to the internet probably, so it never got updated, I bet, except by disk.
Yeah.
It's weird that Windows Update would be web-based so early on, though.
Now you can't really buy any software in the stores besides like antivirus software and stuff.
That's kind of dumb.
Dude, that's what that computer would look like. That's the same type of computers they used in my elementary school.
That's a Dell Dimension.
Windows 98 towers. Ooh, and Intel Pentium 4, so retro. Well, the Pentium 3 and Pentium 2 is also really retro. The only processor computer I don't have with an Intel Pentium processor is I don't have a computer with an Intel Pentium 1. But I do have one with an Intel Pentium 2, one with Intel Pentium 3, and one with an Intel Pentium 4.
Okay, I just opened up Netscape Navigator. It's like Netscape Navigator 4.0 from 1998. And, okay.
You can take that modem and take out and put it in the 98 computer.
Maybe. How hard would that be?
You can. Dude, it has a sound blaster and everything. Dude, that's awesome.
Are you talking about the one in the basement?
Yeah,
Okay, I'll think about that. I'm
Then you
trying
would
to play
have
with this right
another internal modem to replace the broken one you have. You would have an Ethernet card.
now. I mean, who knows if that one works though? We were probably using the NIC on that, not the modem, so probably never been used even.
Yeah, and then if you wanted to, you could also take that sound blaster out of there, and then you could get
Sound Blaster.
MIDI. I don't know, it's up to you, but I would definitely do that because you could expand that 98 computer to do a lot of stuff.
Yeah, probably.
I mean, I'm using this Windows 2000, this Windows 98 computer. I just put Windows 2000. I updated the RAM. I put a nice graphics card in there, and I put a couple other cards like a NIC, a modem, and a sound blaster in here. I also put a 5.25-inch phosphorus drive in here, and it's something really nice. It handles whatever I throw at it.
Yeah, this is nice too.
Web browsing work.
Yeah, with Firefox, the Firefox on here is from 2008 or 2007, so it could probably do some pretty modern web browsing. But it's just really cool. It has 96 megabytes of RAM. It's faster than all the Windows 10 computers I use. I'm not even kidding.
That's because of all the crapware they have on them, probably.
Yeah, Windows 98 is just the good stuff. Modern versions of Windows are just half bloatware.
Yeah, they just, since back then, in like the early 2000s and late and early 90s and 80s and all that stuff, since I guess they were limited on space, they just put what people cared about on there. They just loaded a bunch of spyware crap.
Yeah.
Which is why it runs so nice. Have you showed them the BBS?
No, I would probably make a separate video on that since that's not related to this
I
computer.
just logged into the BBS using dial-up, and I sent you a message over dial-up from inside the BBS.
Okay, I'll have to look at that later. I'm just on this computer right now.
All the message says is I'm using dial-up in this message, EA or something like that.
Okay, I'm gonna end this game now. Anything else you think I should look at on here before I shut it down? Wait, I only got 73% right? I thought, okay. Maybe I was doing addition on something. That's sad.
I don't know, I can't really think of anything. I mean, you're kind of limited to what you can do.
That's true. Huh, there's still stuff in the recycle bin on here. From after the clock stopped working, as evidenced by the 1197 on here. And one from when it was... Well, there's Outlook on here. Well, a shortcut to Outlook. I don't know. I wonder if anything's in the Outlook program here. Because if there's email in here, then this computer had to be connected to the internet at some point.
Yeah, try tricking like, what was it called? Microsoft. I forget what they called it. Oh, Outlook Express.
Yeah, I'm opening up Outlook right now. There's a cute little dog again. So cute. To quickly create a yeah, it doesn't look like this was ever used, because if I go to, I think I'm in the mail. No, I'm in the calendar. How do I get to email? Oh, this is cool. My sister once used this to do her tasks on here. And my sister once put her tasks in Outlook. I did that at 1.2. So there's put songs on MP3 player, do French. One of them is take comp away, take computer away. That's interesting. I don't know. There's not much here. I don't think this is used for email ever. I also think it's 1997.
Yeah.
I guess I'll just watch the doggy say bye-bye.
You can take a look at the screensavers and wallpapers on there.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That's probably in control panel, right?
Desktop and click on property user appearance.
Okay, right now it's hung up on something. Wait a minute, there is an email in here. There's one email that was in the deleted items folder. The subject is Finish Snoopy, whatever that is. And no, I don't want to delete what's in there. Why did it think I wanted to do that? There are still email messages in your outbox. This is funny. It says there's still email messages in your outbox. That means there's emails on here that were composed at one point that still haven't been sent, and it's probably been years.
Yeah.
So probably it was used for email at some point, because there's something in the deleted items folder. It was received in 2007.
Also, how come that your 98 computer, how come it uses this weird face theme on it?
That's just what my sister put on there, probably. You right-click on the desktop. There's nothing for...
Would you like to use it on the normal theme, or does that make you get like nostalgic using the face theme?
Yeah, I'm just going to keep it how it is. I see all the wallpapers now. It's the plus...
Screensavers, if you really want to get nostalgic.
It's the plus wallpaper. Whatever that is. I'm not going to change it, though. But it's called plus. If I go to Screensaver... No, the screensaver right now is Windows 98. Where'd my mouse go? All of a sudden, my mouse just disappeared. Did the computer freeze or something? Oh, there it is. Here it is. Yeah, it's set to Windows 98, which is just... Oh, this is cool. I remember this. I remember watching this. No, it's like this big... I don't know how to describe it. You'll have to watch this video once it's done recording.
Is it that cube thing?
Yeah.
Like those other things?
Yeah, it's this weird gray cube thing. That really abstract cube thing.
3D cube.
Yeah, it's called Windows 98. It's called Windows 98 on here. But, yeah, it happens after 5 minutes. So if I don't do anything in here for 5 minutes, I'll get to see it. But, yeah, I just... Wait, where'd my mouse go again? Okay, I'll do the preview.
I mean, these screensavers are really nostalgic.
Yeah. Hold on, the preview's loading. And it's taking a while. Sometimes this is really fast. Sometimes I don't even know what it's doing. Why did it not preview? Maybe I have to click OK. Nope, that wasn't it. Wait, now I don't see it anymore, the cube thing. What happened? And where'd my mouse go again? My mouse keeps disappearing and I can't find it always. Wait, now it's something else. Now it changed to some other thing. What the heck? Maybe that wasn't... What did you say it was called?
3D flower box.
Nope, that's something else. I guess I can just go through them one at a time. 3D maze. Whoa, that is cool.
Yeah.
It's like this weird thing with the star.
But the ones I do remember is 3D flower box, 3D flying objects.
It's not 3D pipes.
3D pipes, and I remember Mystify and Starfield simulation. All those ones make me get really nostalgic.
It's not 3D text.
Starfield simulation.
There's a baseball one. Bounce belt, not that. There's one with just the IE logo. It's literally the Internet Explorer logo. Interesting. Yep, it was. Flying windows. Whoa, this is cool. Do you know the flying windows one?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Inside your computer. There's one with a frog. That's weird. Leonardo da Vinci.
Different screensavers as well, since you have a theme enabled. Like the inside your computer theme, I believe is from a theme.
This is the last one. Now what happened? I think my mouse disappeared again.
Go to change your theme.
I just right-clicked on the desktop, went to properties, and it opens up.
Appearance. Do you see the tab that says appearance next to background and screensaver?
Hold on. Right now I've lost control of my mouse again.
On appearance, you can change it to Windows. Do just a regular Windows classic.
The 60s USA. What is that? So my monitor's starting to flicker again here. It's a little bit better than it used to be, because after 5 minutes of use it would start having bad flickers. Now it's...
Change your contrast and the background
Maybe.
brightness, the brightness and stuff.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with the Windows 98. That's not doing its cube
It might
thing.
be a bad power supply.
No, it's just the monitor's gone bad. It's probably been used for 15 years or something.
Wait a second, it takes DC power input, right? Or does it
Yeah.
take a real AC
It's DC.
Yeah, it could, the power supply could be a culprit.
No, because it only happens after about an hour of use. Now, at least. Dang it, I lost that cool cube thing.
We need to go bad after a little while.
Yeah, it's probably just gone bad. No big deal. But I want to get that cube thing.
98 is still working fine.
I wish I could get that cube thing on here, though.
Actually, I think the CRT is from 2005, actually.
Yeah, I've lost the cube thing. That's kind of sad.
Naveen, have you ever used a computer with a CRT?
Yeah.
I used to use them a lot when I was younger in elementary school.
Yeah, me not so much,
It's
but...
very nostalgic when I use CRTs.
Mm-hmm. You said the cubes were called 3D what again?
3D flower box.
Yeah, I tried that one. It's not 3D flower box.
Oh, that's the one I thought you were talking about.
No, I'm talking about the one with the cubes.
The cube?
Yeah.
Not sure about that one.
I should have clicked cancel the first time. I think I clicked OK, then I screwed something up, and there's probably no way to go
Click
back.
apply, you can just X out of it.
Yeah, but I think I clicked OK the first time it went away or something. Now I've screwed it up.
The
Yeah.
cube, I'm not sure. I think that might be something from your theme that you have enabled.
Maybe, but I mean... Energy saving monitor settings. Anytime I change a screensaver now, the whole computer hangs for a few seconds, it seems. That's sad. I wish I could get the cube back. Now it's hung up on me again.
I'm dialing into the BBS over dial-up right now.
Okay, I'm just gonna exit from this display thing, because I can't figure it out. Maybe somebody knows what the cube thing is called and how to find it. And one day I'll get it back here again. I can hear the modem on your end.
Yeah. I think this modem is going bad a little bit because it kind of sounds kind of weird. There we go. So log in PSTN.
I wonder if I turn off the monitor and turn it on again. Hey, I got the cube thing back! The cube thing is back, I think. Is that the cube thing? It looks like the cube thing.
I think you're talking about 3D flower box.
No, it's on Windows 98 again. I got the cube thing. It was doing something else before, but now it's doing the cube thing again. It looks a little distorted, though, probably because it's my monitor. Let me turn it off and turn it on again, see if that helps. Oh, that was quick. The monitor downstairs takes a lot longer. Maybe it's colored by default? That's interesting. It looks really cool. I used to watch this until the whole screen would just be filled up with cubes, and it would keep doing it. It was just a weird effect. But I'll exit out of this now.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that's probably it for today then.
Well, can you show them the BBS?
Well, not on this computer. I don't have a modem working yet.
I mean, from the Windows 10 computer.
Yeah, that'll be a different video.
Alright.
So I think that's it for today, folks. This was the third, well, it was the third day I've used this computer in 5 years, if that makes any sense. And I think I rebooted it the second time, so this is probably its fourth uptime in 5 years. I wonder if I just log off. I think that'll bring me back to the main prompt. where I press escape to log in. Can you press escape to log in on your computer?
Well, I don't have a password set up, but when I did have a password set up, yes, I could press escape.
Yeah, I doubt you can do that with anything. Probably, you can't even do that with XP, I bet.
Yeah, you can't do with XP.
Yeah, but here at the login prompt, this is funny. You can't shut down the computer without logging in, because there's no way to do anything else on here. You have to log in. So let me press escape again. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard it. And when I press control delete on this computer, it says, it gives me the option to lock the computer, change the password, log off, task manager, shutdown, or cancel.
Yeah, I just get the close program thing. I think this is kind of like a task manager, because there's no task manager in Windows 98, but this is kind of like the task manager then.
There is activity monitor, I think.
What's the equivalent to task manager, that?
I believe there's something called activity monitor.
Here, let me try to open that.
Process monitor.
Process monitor?
I'm not sure.
I think that still exists in modern Windows, but it's more complicated than task manager. It still has that cute computer icon that does binary. Is that what your, like, icon loading thing is? A computer doing binary stuff?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Whenever it's loading or something and you can't move your cursor, I just see a little computer screen with a scrolling 1001 thing with binary stuff, binary numbers. I don't know, you can look in the video. That's weird, it's taking a while. Let me cancel this. Oh, now it's... Well, now it's doing a disk thing. Now it's going, okay. Hold on, let me open up, go to programs, it's probably in accessories, I'm betting. Even at Windows XP, I remember at all the good stuff, you'd have to go to programs and all the way up to accessories, it seemed. That's where all the good stuff was. Like a calculator. Ooh, let me open the calculator, I haven't done that. And Notepad, I better open Notepad and Paint and see what those are like. Hey, this actually looks like the Windows XP calculator. It doesn't look any different. Notepad is also basically the same. Except, it's all caps? Wow. Notepad is all caps. That's... Oh wait, my caps lock is on, that's why. Okay, now it's doing other stuff. Okay, I'll open Paint. And I think that's it for today. Paint looks a little bit different, but pretty standard probably. This is probably what it looks like in an XP. Okay, I'm gonna shut it down now. Because I think that was all the accessory stuff. Pretty much. I wonder what's in the startup folder. Just the AOL online, the AOL tray icon is in the startup folder, even though this has never been online probably. Oh, system tools. Yeah, system tools. What did you say it was? Task something? It's not in system tools. I wonder if the hard drive on here is NTFS or FAT32. It's probably NTFS. Really? Because it's 7 gigs. I thought the limit on FAT32 is 4 gigs. Let me check. It is... Oh, it is. It is FAT32. Interesting. Even though it's 7 gigs.
That's what I was guessing it was.
Yeah. I thought there was a limit of 4 gigs, but I guess not. No, actually, that must be something else, because I have flash drives that are way over 4 gigs. They're definitely FAT32, not NTFS. Okay. Well, I'll see if it makes a noise when it shuts down here now. There it was.
Alright, well I have to go, but I watch your videos.
Yeah, I just shut the computer down. So that's it for this computer. Now I will, because it's still on now, you can hear that the fans are still running, the computer is still powered on, so I have to shut it off using the power switch in the back. Now the computer is fully powered off.